In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a new version of Kaspersky 2025. So you've got your brand new Kaspersky software, and now you're ready to set it up. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring that your installation is smooth and easy. First off, you're going to want to open up your web browser and navigate to Kaspersky's official website. This is where you'll find all the cybersecurity solutions that Kaspersky offers for both home and business needs. Kaspersky's website is designed to guide you efficiently, so accessing what you need is straightforward. Look for the section that says My Kaspersky and give that a click. This will direct you to the login page. Next, on the My Kaspersky page, you'll see an option to sign in. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and enter your login credentials. And if you don't have an account yet, you'll find an option to create one, which is a simple process of entering your details and setting a password. Once you are successfully logged into My Kaspersky, you'll land on the Kaspersky home interface. Think of this as your dashboard, your base of operations for managing your Kaspersky software and licenses. Here, look for the Subscriptions tab. Clicking on this will show you all the details about the licenses you own, including the version you're about to install. Now, focus on the section that displays the licenses available for download. Within this area, you'll find your newly purchased Kaspersky 2025 license. Locate the download button next to this software version and click on it. This action will initialize the download of the Kaspersky installation file. As the installer file downloads, let's briefly discuss some important pointers to keep in mind. Ensure your internet connection is stable to prevent any interruptions during the download process. Remember to note the location where the file is being saved for easy access later. Typically, files are sent to your Downloads folder by default, unless you've specified otherwise in your browser settings. After the download is complete, you'll want to locate the installer file on your computer. Simply open the folder where it was saved and double-click on the file to run the installation process. The installation wizard will guide you through each step, asking for your preferences and configurations. It's important to follow the on-screen instructions carefully, accepting the user agreements and selecting default or custom options as needed. And that's it. You're all set to start using Kaspersky 2025. With these simple directions, you've installed Kaspersky's new version successfully, ensuring your system stays protected with the latest security features. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with world-class digital security.